Have you been feeling down and depressed lately? Does the world seem a bit too overwhelming? And does your heart feel a bit too heavy? Well, you're not alone in this. In fact, it's a feeling shared by many, especially in our fast-paced modern world. But what if there was a way to lift your spirits, to brighten your day in a way that's uniquely yours? Enter the world of creativity. Yes, you heard it right, creativity. Not just confined to the realms of artists or writers, but available to everyone, everywhere. It's a world where you can express yourself, a world where you can find solace, and a world where you can find joy. Creating something, be it a piece of art, a story, or even a simple meal, can be an immensely therapeutic experience. It gives you a sense of purpose, a feeling of achievement, and a way to channel your emotions in a healthy, productive way. Think about it. Remember the last time you created something? How did it make you feel? The sense of accomplishment, the joy of seeing something you made with your own hands, the satisfaction of knowing you've created something from nothing. That's the magic of creation. And the beauty of it? You don't have to be a Picasso or a Shakespeare to create. All you need is a willingness to try, a desire to express yourself, and the courage to start. Take a moment to think about what you love. Is it painting, writing, cooking, gardening? Whatever it is, embrace it. Start today. Start now. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be grand. It just has to be yours. Imagine the joy of seeing a plant you've nurtured from a seedling, blooming into a beautiful flower. Picture the satisfaction of tasting a dish you've cooked from scratch, savoring the flavors you've carefully blended. Visualize the thrill of reading a story you've penned, resonating with the characters you've breathed life into. These are not just idle fantasies, they're real possibilities. Possibilities that are just a step away. All you have to do is take that step. So don't let the world weigh you down. Don't let the shadows of depression cloud your days. Instead, step into the light of creativity. Embrace the joy of creation. Remember, every masterpiece started with a single stroke, every novel with a single word, every garden with a single seed. Your journey of creation can start today. It can start now. And who knows, this journey might not just lift your spirits, it might also lead you to discover a side of yourself you never knew existed. So why wait? Start creating today. Start now. And let the magic of creation uplift your spirits, brighten your days, and fill your life with joy, purpose, and fulfillment.